Breaking news, Fubara wins again as court nullifies amendment of local government law by pro-Wike lawmakers. Can you imagine? The 27 lawmakers that defected from PDP to APC wanted to amend the local government law so that they can extend the tenure of the local government chairman for 6 months or so after the expiration of their actual tenure. And these are the tenure rights and illegality. You can't do that. Now, before they were, they lost their seat and they were driven out of the State House of Assembly. They couldn't even impeach, they couldn't do anything. The local government chairmen themselves are also planning to protest to cause problem in the Fubara's government. Now, I didn't know that the case has even gone to the court, and the court had nullified that amendment. When their tenure expired, they have to go. And the governor will put in critical committee that will run the affairs of the local government for him while he plans for an election. That is it. So now they took the matter to court and Wike has won. The Fubara has won that case again. Wow. The Rivers State High Court has invalidated the amended local government law proposed by the Martins Amewule faction of the Rivers State House of Assembly. The ruling was delivered in a suit number PHC 1320CS 2024, which challenged the extension of tenure for local government chairmen for 6 months after the expiration of their term. So Justice DGQ, presiding over the case, declared the amendment invalid, citing its inconsistency with the 1999 Constitution and Section 9, Subsection 1 of the Rivers State Local Government Law number 5 of 2018. So the court emphasized that the applicable law governing the tenure of local government chairmen and councillors is the Rivers State Local Government Law number 5 of 2018, which stipulates a 3-year tenure. So the attempt to extend their tenure through the enactment of the Local Government Law number 2 of 2024 was deemed unlawful and contrary to their oath of office. Can you imagine? So the ruling marks a victory for Enyada Cookie Gam and 6 others who challenged the extension, asserting the primacy of constitutional principles in governance. Can you imagine? Some of that people took the matter to court. And look at what they're coming out with now. So now it's a plus, another plus for Fubara now. So the other lawmakers are actually not supposed to, in fact, they don't have a legal standing to make any law for the state, because by the reason of their defection, they have lost their seat and they are no longer members of the State House of Assembly since October 2023. So automatically, they don't have power to make any laws for anybody. I don't know why they didn't cite that one here. They don't have power. Apart from the fact that what they wanted to do is contrary to the Constitution and to the Nigerian Constitution, 1999 Constitution, Section 9, Subsection 1. They're also quoting the River State Local Government Laws of number 5. So all of that put together, this vote did not have any form of power to make that law for the state or for the local government chairman. Wow, this one's serious. Okay, so I always say them die well, not be smart. Say they die well, it means they don't die finish. This one for them, no resurrection, no burial, nothing. They are gone. Some say they are just misleading this man. I don't see any way forward with this Fubara of his stuff. What are you trying to say? Why don't you see any way? I don't so the chairman should illegally extend their 3-year term. That is the question. Their 3 years is over, so they should leave. That is it. I thought say Wahala, they will fire on the mountain. There's no fire anywhere. Besides, they are non-existent. That is it, by law. For the fact that they defected from their party to another party, they have lost their seat, and that makes them illegitimate and illegal in the State House of Assembly. So they can't make law. They are just like ordinary people in the state. So you can't tell such people to make law, and that's exactly what they should have quoted here. Okay, maybe the case is still part of the case is still in court. but they have lost their seat. They have lost their seat, and there's not. They are not even right. They are not even legal to make that law for the state. That is it. They don't have local standee to make law for the state. So with that now, Fubara will keep bragging again now. One more feather to his cap. He has punctured Wike's balloon once again. That is it. So now the local government chairmen who were aligning with Amewule group to protest and to impeach Fubara, I think recently they are planning another protest to disrupt Fubara's government. There's nothing they can do. When the guy has told Fubara told them he doesn't want trouble. When the time reach, you go your separate ways. Let other people run the government. Your tenure has finished. And that is what the law says. And that is why Fubara keeps saying that he knows what they want to do, but he will not give them the chance to do it. Because they will not even stay extra one day in that office when their tenure expires. Well, the only thing I can tell Fubara, somebody should be checking what those guys are doing to be sure that they don't destroy documents when they are leaving office. Because that is what such people do. They will just take critical documents, destroy them. The records that are supposed to use for handing over process, they will destroy them. And the handover process, they will not even do handover. So Fubara should set up some kind of committee or group that will probe into the handover process to be sure that the handover process is neat and clean. Otherwise, those guys will just leave office and destroy the office. They will just want to destroy the office so that the people coming in will start from the scratch without proper official handing over. But I know that every local government has a head of service, also has a head of local government administration. So all of them will be there to handle every matter and be sure that records are still intact. They are not destroyed by these people that call themselves lawmakers. I think they are lawbreakers, not lawmakers. So these local government chairmen actually, these local government chairmen are something else. That is it. The local government chairman are something else. Why must you want to stay beyond your period or your tenure as stipulated by law? You were not appointed, you were voted in, and that has a period. The regime has a period. Assuming you are appointed now, that means you were not voted in, and you are now trying to further your stay, then that is a different thing. Okay, but again, on that premise, you are also at the mercy of whoever appointed you or whoever is your direct boss. So, but this one now they're doing gragra to stay. Fubara has punctured them, said he knows their plan, but he will not let them do anything. He will not give them that opportunity to do what they think they want to do before they leave. So if they like, we'll let them plan protest like they're planning, because the local government councillors have also come out to shout, or ward councillors, that this is what these people are planning, this is what they want to do. So they should handle them. So thank you for listening, and let's have a comment.